How to view a private Twitter account without following them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view a private Twitter account without actually having to follow them. If you open up Twitter and head into a certain profile, then if the profile is private, you won't be able to look at the tweets at all. Now, if you want to view someone's profile tweet, or if you want to view someone's profile without actually following them, then the only way is to follow them through another ID. Now, there is absolutely no way you can breach the security of Twitter and look into the private account, but what you can do is create a new or create a dummy account or a fake account and look into the tweets of that private account by following them through that ID without having to follow them through your main ID. Now, to add a new profile, what you can do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is tap on the three dots that you can see, and here you'll be able to create a new account or add an existing account. So this way you can view a private Twitter account without following them. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.